Good morning students. You all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are practiced the previous class portions, isn't it? Shall we start the today's class? All of you take your note and book, students. Next we are going to learn the problems involving angle of elevation and angle of depression. In the exercise 6.2 is only angle of elevation is given and exercise 6.3 is angle of depression only given. Here next exercise 6.4 is both angle of elevation and angle of depression are given. Consider the example. A man standing at a top of this lighthouse located in a beach watch an aeroplane flying above the sea. At the same instant he watched a ship sailing in the sea. The angle which he watched the plane correspond to angle of elevation and angle of watching ship corresponding to angle of depression. This is one example where one observes both angle of elevation and angle of depression. Let's write the example 6.31. Okay. From the top of a 12-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 30 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So far we learned only either angle of elevation or depression is given. In this question both the angle of elevation as well as angle of depression is given. How to do? Let us see. Okay, very simple. According to the given condition, let us give the diagram. Let's draw the diagram. Okay, there is a building. Okay, 12-meter building is there. 12-meter building. From the top of a building, angle of elevation and depression is given. So, next this side the tower will be higher than this building. Okay. So, this side there is a tower. So, this horizontal level we have to join both the side. This and this ground level both we have to join. The angle of first angle of elevation from the top of this building is given 60 degree. This is angle of elevation as well as from this top to bottom of this cable tower. It is angle of depression. It is given 30 degree. Okay. So, angle of depression 30 degree. Now, see this Z shape. This Z shape inside containing this angle is known as, this both angles are alternate angles. Alternate angles will be equal. So, this one can be given 30 degree. This both will be equal. So, according to the given condition, let us name a service. It is the building. So, name here O, A. Here P, P dash. Here M. So, this total, this OA, height of the building is given 12 meters. So, this P dash M also will be 12 meters. What is the question now? Find the height of the tower. Here P dash is the tower. Okay. So, this total we have to find out. Let us take this height of the tower is H meter. Okay. So, here OA and P dash M will be equal. So, P dash M is equal to 12 meter. OA is given 12 meter. So, P dash M be the P dash M equal to 12 meter. So, total we have considered H meter. So, PM will be H minus 12. Okay, H minus 12. Okay, it is right triangle. So, this also right triangle. So, what are the values given? Let's write. Okay. OA be the building. Here O be the point of observation of the top of the building. OA is given 12 meter. Okay. Here P dash is the cable tower. P dash is the cable tower. So here angle MOP equal to 60 degree and angle MOP dash equal to 30 degree. Angle MOP, see this diagram, this one 60 degree, this one 30 degree. Okay, here P dash equal to, we have taken heights meter, OA is equal to 12, so this P dash M also 12, that we have written. Okay, so here MP is equal to heights minus 12. See this diagram, MP is equal to, this total is heights from here to here 12, so this distance will be heights minus 12, that we have written. Let us take this right triangle. Here we have two right triangle. First of all, let us take the right triangle OMP. Okay, so let's write that in right triangle. In right triangle OMP, tan, what the angle of elevation is given? 60 degree, no? So tan 60 equal to opposite. From the diagram, opposite side we have chosen this OMP right triangle. So opposite side we have PM divided by adjacent we have OM. Okay, PM by OM. That is tan 60 value is root 3 is equal to PM is from the diagram heights minus 12 divided by OM. From here cross multiply it. OM into root 3 is equal to heights minus 12. Okay, from here OM is equal to heights minus 12 divided by root 3. Let us give it is equation number 1. Let us take the next right triangle. In right triangle OMP dash. Okay, here angle of depression is given 30 degrees. So tan 30 is equal to P dash M by OM. Okay, P dash M by OM. This right triangle we are taking. Okay, OMP dash. Okay, here 90 degree. So here what is the tan formula? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent side. Here theta is here, so opposite side is P dash M by adjacent side is OM. Okay, let's write that is P dash M by OM. Here tan 30 value we have 1 by root 3 is equal to P dash M by OM. Cross multiply it. We get 1 into OM is OM is equal to P dash M into root 3. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2, from the equations 1 and 2, here equation 1 is OM equal to heights minus 12 by root 3. Equation 2 also OM equal to P dash M into root 3. Let us equate. Okay, equating the equation 1 and 2 we get this both can be OM equal to heights minus 12 by root 3. Here also OM equal to P dash M into root 3. So 1 and 2 can be equated. Okay, so we get first equation here, this LHS side we have heights minus 12 by root 3 is equal to here P dash M into root 3. What is P dash M? P dash M is 12 meter. Okay, so here can give 12. Heights minus 12 by root 3 is equal to P dash M is 12. Okay, 12 into this root 3. Cross multiply it. From here heights minus 12 is equal to 12 root 3 into this root 3 take here root 3. So from here heights minus 12 equal to 12 into root 3 into root 3 3. Okay, from here heights minus 12 equal to 12 3s are 36. That is h is equal to 36. This minus 12 bring here. So it become plus, which is equal to 48 meter. Therefore, height of the cable tower PP dash equal to 48 meter. Understood, students? Next, in the same way, you have one homework question. That is homework exercise 6.4 first question. Okay, exercise 6.4 first question homework. The same method only. Okay, easily you can do. Diagram also the same way only will come. Okay, complete it. Next, let's write the example 6.32. A pole 5 meter height is fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree and the angle of depression to the point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So, this also angle of elevation as well as angle of depression is given. Okay. So, let's give the diagram. By that you can understand easily. There is a pole that is top of the tower, fixed on the top of the tower. So, first we have to draw the tower. Okay, it is the tower. Above the tower there is a pole. Pole of height is 5 meter. It is 5 meter. Just draw the ground level. On the ground there is a point of observation A, it is mentioned. So, angle of elevation and angle of depression is given from the top of the pole and top of the tower. It is top of the pole. Angle of elevation is given 60 degree. 60 degree, as well as it is the top of the tower. So, angle of depression of top of the tower is given 45 degree. 45 degree. So, this horizontal level we have to join here. Now, it is the angle of depression 45 degree. Now, this both angles are alternate angles. So, this will be 45 degree here. So, we have to find the height of the tower. Let us name, then only we can understand easily. Okay. So, point of observation A given. So, let us use here B, C. Okay. Pole is CD. Let's take this distance AB is Y and BC distance X. Okay. What are the values given? Let's write. Let BC be the BC. This BC. Height of the tower. Okay. Tower. That is X. CD be the pole. 5 meter it is given. CD equal to 5 meter, comma BC equal to, we have considered X. And A be the point of observation. So, AB, let us take it Y. Okay. AB, this distance AB equal to Y. So, we have to find out this BC. What is the height of the tower? X we have to find out. So, here let us take the right triangle first of all. ABC, this right triangle. Okay. Then we can take it ABD, this whole triangle we can take it. In right triangle ABC, here also tan ratio enough. This opposite side only we have to find out. This adjacent also needed. So tan ratio can be used. Okay. Tan, here angle of depression is given 45 degree. So this angle of depression is 45 degree. Here this both angles are alternate angles. So this angle also become 45 degree. Okay. This is the angle of elevation. So tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side is BC by adjacent side is AB. What is tan 45? 1. 1 is equal to BC we have taken x by AB is y. So cross multiply it. From here we get x equal to y. Equation number 1 let us take. Okay. Consider the right triangle ABD. Here also this opposite side only we need so that tan ratio enough to take. So opposite side is BD by adjacent AB. BD we have x plus 5. AB we have y. Okay, let's write. So in right triangle ABD, tan 60, here angle of elevation is 60 degree, is equal to opposite side is BD by adjacent side is AB. Okay, here what is the tan 60 value? Root 3 is equal to BD is x plus 5 by AB is y. Okay, cross multiply it. Root 3 into y is equal to 5 plus x. Equation number 2. Put y is equal to x in 1. Put y is equal to x in equation number 2. Okay, how now? From 1. Equation 1 we have x equal to y. So put y is equal to x. Okay, so this one become root 3 into x equal to 5 plus x. So x term bring the same side. So root 3x minus x equal to 5. Take the x commonly out. So x into root 3 minus 1 equal to 5. From here x into, so let x equal to, bring this root 3 minus 1 term right side. So it become as division. So root 3 minus 1. Take the conjugate of the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, take the conjugate which is equal to 5 by root 3 minus 1 into, what is the conjugate of root 3 minus 1? No? Root 3 plus 1. Up and down we have to multiply, which is equal to 5 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. If you need formula side you write and give a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so this form we are going to use here. So it can be right root 3 square minus 1 square. Okay, which is equal to 5 into root 3 plus 1 by, it is root 3 square is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 5 into root 3 value is given 1.732 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 we have 2, which is equal to 5 into 1.732 plus 1 is 2.732 by 2. This 2 value let us multiply, we get 13.660 by 2. Okay, divided by 2 we get 6.83 meter. Okay, understood students? Next let's try the example 6.33. From a window of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and the foot of the another house on the opposite side of the street are theta 1 and theta 2. Angle of elevation is theta 1, depression is theta 2 respectively. Show that the height of the opposite house is height into 1 plus cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. Okay, this also, here also angle of elevation as well as angle of depression is given. So let us give the diagram, by that you can understand easily. Okay, let us draw the diagram. So this side there is a window. angle of elevation and depression from the window to the top and bottom of the another house. Opposite side there is a house. So house should be higher than this window. No? So this side there is a house. Let us draw this horizontal level, this ground level as well as this horizontal level. Let us join. Now name it. It is W, window, no? WR. This is the W with the point on the window. Okay, where the angle of elevation and depression is measured from here. So let us name here WR. Angle of elevation is given theta 1 from here. Okay, top of this house. This is opposite side. It is the height of the house. Let us name it PQ. PQ be the height of the house. Angle of elevation of top of this house is theta 1. Angle of elevation, okay, theta 1, and angle of depression from here to this foot of this house is given theta 2. Okay, so here we have to join. It is theta 2 depression. So here this both the angles are alternate angles. So this will be theta 2. What are the values given? Let's write here. Before that, this one PQ. PQ be the height of the opposite side house. Let us name here A. It is right triangle. This also right triangle. PA distance let us take X. This AQ distance let us take H. As your wish you can take. Okay. So what are the values given? Let's write. Let W be the point on the window where the angle of elevation and depression are measured. From this point only elevation as well as depression is measured. PQ be this one. PQ. This be the house on the opposite side. Okay. WA, this distance, be the width of the street. WA, width of the street. Height of the window, let us take H meter. Okay, this one. H meter. So this WR and this AQ will be equal. Okay, so H meter we have taken. That is WR and AQ will be equal. So that is AQ. So WR is equal to AQ can be right. Let PA is equal to X meter. Okay, this distance. PA. Let us take this distance is X meter. We have to find the height of the house is H into 1 plus cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. We have to verify. Okay, height of the house, this PQ distance. PQ equal to H into 1 plus cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. We have to verify. For that, first of all, let us take the right triangle PAW. This one, PAW. Theta is here. This opposite side we have to verify. So tan ratio enough to take. So this one can be right. Tan theta 1. In place of theta we have theta 1. Okay, angle of elevation. So tan theta 1 equal to opposite by adjacent. Okay, that is opposite side we have X. Adjacent side we have AW. Okay, so it can be right. Tan theta 1 is equal to X by opposite by adjacent is AW. Cross multiply it. AW into tan theta 1 equal to x. From here AW is equal to x by tan theta 1. So we know that 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Here answer is we have to verify with the cot ratio. So let us write here AW is equal to x into 1 by tan theta 1. So 1 by tan theta is cot theta. So AW can write x into cot theta 1. Equation number 1. Similarly, next right triangle. In right triangle QAW tan theta 2 is equal to opposite side is QA by adjacent is AW. Cross multiply it. AW into tan theta 2 is equal to, here QA we have taken height, no? QA. So AW is equal to, AW into tan theta 2 is equal to QA is height. From here AW is equal to height by tan theta 2. Okay. From here, so AW is equal to height into, it can be write 1 by tan theta 2. That is equal to height into cot theta 2. So here AW, it is equation number 2. Equating the 1 and 2, equating the equation 1 and 2, we get equation 1 is x cot theta 1 is equal to, equation 2 is height cot theta 2. Height into cot theta 2. From here x equal to height cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. Cot theta 1, it is x value. Height of the, from the diagram, height of the opposite house, houses, OP we named now. OP is equal to, total height is x plus height. Height of the opposite house QP equal to x plus height. See this diagram. QP is equal to x plus height. Okay. X value is height cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. That is equal to, what is the x value we have? X is equal to height cot theta 2 by cot theta 1 plus this height. Okay. From here take the height commonly outside, height into cot theta 2 by cot theta 1 plus 1. Okay, this height we have taken out. Okay, it can be right height into this 1 first you write. This term let's write first. 1 plus cot theta 2 by cot theta 1. Okay. So this only we have to verify. So can write hence proved. Okay, therefore height of the opposite house is height into 1 plus cot theta 2 by cot theta 1 we proved. Okay, understood students? These are the today's question. So one homework today I have given exercise 6.4 first question. Homework exercise 6.4 question number 1. Okay. That first example today we did know example 6.31 model. Okay. Same that model only completed. These are the today's portion. We can meet in the next class. Okay. Take well practice today's portion. Thank you students.